Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can fix this drive error right here. As you can see, it says drive is not accessible without deleting your data, so you can recover your data. This will not delete any of your data. So I'm just gonna show you right here. If I go to start and then I type partition, and here I go on disk management. Sometimes you will see like this, as I have here. Sometimes you will see this. The file system is for the one that is making the problem. So how you can fix it is just go to start and we're gonna type cmd and then right click and run as administrator. You have to run as administrator, otherwise it will not work. We click this on yes, and then from here we need to type this command. So we need to type this command chkdsk and then space, and then we put /r and then space. So now you have to put the letter of your drive that is making the problem. So you just go to this PC and then you will see, for me, for example, I want to for this one. So for me here is on G, and I'm gonna close now. So you have to find the letter for your drive that is making the problem, and then you type the letter and then these two dots, and we press on enter. And now we have to let this complete, and after this completed, this will not delete any of your data. This is just checking and trying to repair your drive. So this will take a little bit of time, so just wait, be patient, and we will be back when this is finished. After this has finished, it took me about 5 minutes. It can take a little bit longer, depends how much size you have of your HDD, SSD or USB. And then we just go and close now. And as you can see, all my files are still here. And as you can see now, I can access my drive right here. So that's pretty much it, how you can fix it. Don't forget to subscribe if you enjoyed this kind of content and it was helpful, and ask many questions if you have. Bye.